a small friend. Sam is a big friend. Oh, the boy is Biscuit's best friend of all. Where is Biscuit? Yes, yes. Tell me, where is the dog? Yeah. Eddie, where is the dog? Where is the dog? Dog. Small friend. Dog. Yes. What color is the dog? What color? No. Where is Sun? Sun is big friend. Sun. Sun. This is Sun. Little girl. Little girl. Who draws the girl?